Hola and welcome to day 4 of the 31-day AI challenge. Today I want to show you one of my favorite AI use cases. How to use AI to break down complex topics at different depth levels. This is something I use almost daily because AI can now adapt explanations to match your level of understanding. And you can really move the bar up and down and find the right level so that you can really pick up things. Let me show you how. Okay, maybe you remember from the first video we looked at the attentially solved paper, which is the basis for the transformer architecture. And I want to learn more about the transformer architecture, so I downloaded a couple of articles from the internet explaining what the transformer architecture is. I'm going to use AI to help me understand this concept. So I upload all these sources to ChatGPT, and I'm going to use three levels of depth to better understand how the transformer architecture works. I'm going to start with a 12-year-old. We explain the transformer architecture like I'm a 12-year-old. Use simple words, short sentences, and examples, and avoid technical terms. So I'm going to click OK, and you will see that it will give you a simple explanation of the concept. It uses some kind of examples, which for me is very, very useful because you see that it's really using simple examples, and this helps to build the basis. You can start here, and then once this is clear, you can go up in the ladder and you can ask for more depth. So for example, now we could go ahead and we could ask it to explain it as if it would be a colleague who is smart but not an expert in the topic. So it will go a bit up and it will still keep it simple, but it will be a bit more complex than before. And then you can also use roles. I have one example with a HR professional, but you can also use like if you are a system architect or if you are a business leader, and it will really adapt the content to your language, which is quite amazing. So you can use this to learn new things, to simplify the language to the level where you are, or even like to make it more complex. Like if you are, for example, reading something that you want to go in depth, you can also use it to ask more detailed questions and go more into the technical side of it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. This is one that I use quite a lot and it is very useful. Try this with anything you want. You can just AI to explain it at a different level. This is how you build understanding from the ground up and how you can simplify very complex concepts. I hope to see you tomorrow in day 5. Tomorrow we are going to learn how to use Notebook LM to learn new stuff. Bye, hasta la próxima.